YouTube, Joseph Bulma here. Today I stopped at Harbor Freight. What I bought were these two, let's see them here. This one is a 3-inch diameter, 95 round base, 95 pound pull magnet. The other one is a smaller 2-inch diameter, 25 pound pull magnet. What I'm going to do with these is I'm actually going to make a magnetic camera mount. In a lot of these car videos for you guys, finding a good place to mount the camera sometimes is very difficult because I have to use clips or straps or something, and I can't always get the best camera shot. And I've been looking for some magnets like this. I just haven't ordered them off Amazon or anything, so that I can make a magnetic mount so that I can put the camera anywhere metal on the vehicle where you guys can see what I'm working on, and hopefully I find a good spot where it's not in my way. So real quick, I'm going to take you through making one of these. Now this one isn't finished yet, and I'm going to show you why here in just a second. But I'm going to actually take you through making this one, and I'm going to show you how it works. I got this heavier magnet so that I could use it in areas where maybe I needed to use an arm or something coming off the mount where it would put more leverage on the magnet, and maybe this 25 pound magnet wouldn't hold up. While I'm getting everything set up, please, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. If you've hit the subscribe button, make sure you click the notification bell so you get notifications on all my upcoming videos. If you have any questions about what I'm doing in this video or any other videos, drop them in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer for you. Please, when it's all over with, don't forget to rate the video. The tripod threads on the camera are 1/4-20s. So I've got a 1/4-20 bolt. I'm just going to stick it up through the hole in the bottom. And then I'm actually using a nylock nut. That way once I tighten it down, I don't have to worry about it vibrating loose. Oh, now, that's more thread than you really need, but you can actually tighten this all the way down, and then, you know, you can move the whole magnet to get your rotation where you need it, so that's not a big deal with these. Before we get to the hot glue gun, I'm going to take just a little bit of brake cleaner. I'm going to spray it on this side of the cotton t-shirt. Set that down, and then I want to wipe down the edge of the magnet. And that'll get any oils that they put on there. You can see that brown stuff. That's all oils from the manufacturing process. That'll help the glue to stick a little bit better. Now, we're going to take the hot glue gun, hopefully without touching it, and we're just going to quickly put a nice bead of hot glue. You got to work quick here. Don't want to harden up right around the outside edge. Cotton shirt. We're going to push it around the magnet and then just pull it down tight. Pull it down tight, get all the wrinkles out. Now the reason I'm doing this is so that if I stick it to a painted surface, I don't have to worry about this metal ring on the magnet scratching anything. Now, we're just going to try to really get that stuck down well. Flip it back up here real quick and take a look. And it doesn't seem to have stuck very well over here. It must have cooled off a little bit, so. About kind of the same over here. So just a little bit more right in there. I just want to make sure that's really stuck fairly well. Maybe probably overkill here, but just push that through. Now, that's all covered, so there's no metal surface anymore. And then, just very carefully going to take, you do this with scissors too, and it'll probably work better. Okay, not the cleanest cut, but it'll work. Just give it a couple more dots of glue. This thing doesn't have to look pretty, it just has to function.
That's all I'm concerned about. Now we'll do the same thing with the other one. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you how well this works. So, I'm going to take my Sony Handycam. You can see how large that is. It weighs a little bit. We're going to thread it in right there into the tripod mount. You just thread it in snug. Now, this is how much confidence I have in this. I'm actually going to stick it directly to the side of my truck. I could break the camera before that magnet's going to release. 2 hands, and you can pull it off. Now, it'll even grab through this 95-pound magnet. Will even grab through the plastic bed rail. Okay? So, there you guys are. Now if I can get it off. Now the nice thing about this, that's the 90-pound magnet, excuse me. I'm going to show you the 25-pound magnet. Now, this is just a 25-pound pull. Same thing, thread it in, nice and snug, right there. I mean, you can see with this camera, if I get it vibrating, it'll move around a little bit with the cloth on there. But still, it's nice and sturdy. Now, it won't grab through the plastic. You can feel it, but it won't grab through the plastic. Now, through the bed liner, it'll grab through that.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I just used an old t-shirt, and I just used hot glue to hold it on to protect the bottom of the magnet. That way, if it gets greasy, if it gets grimy, if it starts getting torn up, or it gets grit stuck in it that I'm worried about it scratching something, I can just peel it right off with the hot glue. Put something new on there, and it's not a big deal. It's easy to change. If I used a stronger glue, I'd have trouble changing it. So that's the reason why I did that. But as you can see, it's a quick, simple process, and these things work really well. I showed you a video of it holding up my Sony Handycam. My little fake GoPro that I'll show you here one day. It's a Campark Extreme 1 Plus 4K camera. It weighs probably a third of what that Handycam weighs, so these magnets, the 25-pound magnet, will have no trouble holding it up. And the 90 I know will have no issue holding it, even when it's out on its arm, maybe even in a waterproof case or something if I'm doing something outside. So, like I said, it's just quick, something simple, and it's effective. It works, and I've got less than $5 stuck in each one of them. So, do me a favor, guys. Please rate the video. Like I said, subscribe if you haven't. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I'd love to answer for you. And guys, don't forget to get out there, get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it. We'll see you on the next one.